In a sun-drenched field, a fledgling bird attempts her first flight, her tiny wings beating with fierce determination. Perched high above, other birds mock her efforts, their laughter echoing through the air. "She'll never fly. Look at those wings. She's just a ground scraper," one taunts cruelly. The little bird stumbles, her wings failing her as she falls to the earth. Undeterred, she rises again, her spirit unbroken as she prepares to try once more. In the expansive field, the little bird persists, her jumps and flaps echoing with unwavering resolve. She tumbles, yet her spirit remains unbroken as she rises with renewed vigor. The cloud drifts above, its voice gentle and encouraging. "If you keep getting up after every fall, one day you will surely fly." With bright eyes and a determined chirp, the little bird declares, "Each time I fall, I become more resilient." Against the vast expanse of the sky, the little bird bravely leaps, her tiny wings beating with newfound power. She circles triumphantly above the field, now a master of the sky. From the branches, the other birds watch in awe, their mocking laughter transformed into songs of admiration. She flies with pure joy, her journey a testament to the boundless power of perseverance.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। शुक्रिया दिल से।